Y series, Y7P and Y10P point source loudspeakers. Let's have a look around the cabinet, starting with an unobtrusive front design.
Then there is the quick lock blade for the Y flying bracket.
All cabinets, as described, come with a PCP coating.
We have the corner handles on top and on bottom for easy handling and mounting on high stands.
Connector panels, standard NLT4 FM.
Then there are two additional M10 threads, one on the back, one on the top, which accept the 8mm load pin for the Y series.
Of course, our standard pair of M10 threads are on the top and the bottom of the cabinet to accept additional mounting brackets. One special thing, on the side of the front grille, there's a little slot where you can see through and you see the indication of the horn rotation. Maybe we have a look inside. Front grille removed. Here you can see the indicators for the horn rotations. The HF horns can be rotated by 90 degrees. What about the dispersion options, Matthias, and the dipolar design?
Well, the Y7P's constant directivity horn offers a nominal 75 by 40 degrees dispersion, while the Y10P offers 110 by 40. An enhanced 3-inch voice coil compression driver offers a clean and smooth response up to 18 kHz. The low-frequency arrangement with its double resonator design is basically taken from the Q series, as it offers the advantageous mid-range directivity and headroom for a standalone system. In order to achieve the desired low-frequency headroom, we developed highly efficient drivers and optimized many bits and pieces of the acoustic design. The phase plug provides the right shape for the desired mid-range response. The airflow optimized ports are integrated into the phase plug in order to not waste any internal volume. The result of this process is the Klingonian spaceship. All is driven through an internal passive crossover, and two cabinets can be connected to a single amplifier channel.
The Y series B6 subwoofer. The B6 subwoofer is the economical high-power subwoofer of the Y series. It's an omnidirectional bass reflex design. First of all, it's squared and it's ground stacked, which means it has runners on the bottom and recesses on the tops for stacking. It holds an M20 high flange stand adapter on the top. The whole cabinet, as all Y series, is PCP coated. We have a handle on each side, 4 wheels on the back. Connector panel to NLT4 FM as standard. On the box label, you can even find the stacking guide for CSA setup. Two cabinets can be connected on one amplifier channel. Let's have a look inside, Matthias.
Okay, let's have a look. So what is inside? It's a single 18-inch driver. It is loaded in a bass reflex design with a low compression port. It offers 80 millimeters of excursion to comply with today's amplifier output voltages. So what else? Approved.
D&B Y series, the Y8 and Y12 line array loudspeaker. Let's have a look around the cabinet from front
to the back. The difference between the Y8 and the Y12 is the horizontal dispersion. The Y8 offers 80 degrees, the Y12 offers 120 degrees. Let's have a look at the front of the cabinet. There are the front rigging strands made of aluminum profiles. And now, with the click, it's a spring-loaded front link system which eases the rigging procedure and prevents it from rattling when it's not in use. Let's turn it around. At the sides there are the handles in the D&B common design.
The entire Y series cabinets come with the PCP coating, weather resistant.
There are the rear handles which are used to support the rigging process.
We have the connector panel, standard NLT4 FM.
And the rear rigging system with the hook. It's a self-capturing system, J-shaped hook, that eases the rigging process. The rigging system allows display angles from 0 to 14 degrees in 1 degree increments.
Inside the Y-top line array loudspeaker, let's have a look under the hood, Matthias.
Yeah, we have two 8-inch loudspeakers. They have an exceptionally efficient motor system, and they offer extended excursion capabilities. These are mounted in a dipolar arrangement, enabling a broadband directivity control. Almost all of the internal cabinet volume is used for the low-frequency bass reflex system, which itself uses an airflow-optimized porting system. Our new HF waveguide, here in the center, is coupled to an enhanced 3-inch voice coil compression driver, offering a clean and smooth response up to 18 kHz. All the components are driven through an internal passive crossover, and two cabinets can be connected to a single amplifier channel.
The Y7P subwoofer employs DNB's patented passive cardioid technology, which offers a cardioid subwoofer dispersion from a single amplifier channel. The Y7P square box is mechanically compatible with the Y8, Y12 top cabinets, in width, of course. The 3-point rigging hardware is fully integrated and fixed to the cabinet.
It also has the click, and it's placed vertically with 0 and 2.5 degrees. With a central rigging strand on the rear.
It can be flown at the top of a Y-series array or used in a ground-stacked setup. It's all PCP coded, of course. 4 handles on the sides, 4 wheels in the back. M20 high stand flange on the top. Transport lid is optionally available. As said, 2 cabinets can be connected to an amplifier channel throughout the entire Y-series. Cardioid subwoofer dispersion from a single amplifier channel. How does this work, Matthias?
Well, let's have a look inside. We have an 18-inch driver in a standard bass reflex design facing to the front, and we have a 12-inch driver in a bandpass design. It's a 2-chamber bandpass design. Well, it faces towards the side and it radiates to the rear. The necessary magnitude and phase response is achieved entirely by a clever combination of loudspeaker and bandpass parameters. This results in a rear rejection of more than 12 dB, and all that from a single amplifier channel.
It's basically the little brother of the V subwoofer, pretty much compatible in performance at a lower SPL maximum. All Y-series cabinets are also available as an install version, the YI cabinet version. The YI cabinets come without handles, without some of the rigging parts. The YI point sources are mounted via the double M10 threads on top and bottom. The loudspeaker connector is done via this panel. It gives you screw terminals or 2 NL4 connectors. All cabinets are also available with an SC special color or WR weather resistant cabinet option. The Y-series line array accessory overview.
From the proven DNB 3-point rigging system as known from J and V series, and the Y flying frame for up to 24 tops or subs on top of the array, the fully integrated rigging system to the vertical setup workflow.
Other accessories range from flying adapter for 6 tops, a base plate with an M20 for ground stacking, installation mounting frames similar to the VI series, transport lids for subwoofers, to a selection of transport cards and cases which complete the entire Y series system package.